This is an Eura Mobil Activa One motorhome with a rear lounge. For something like this, you're looking towards 100,000 euros, which you may think is quite a lot of money. This is 650 centimeters long. It has a deep double floor and this amazing rear lounge. There is storage all the way around. There's a big fridge freezer here, and in here we have got the washroom. The sink will move backwards and forwards depending on where you need it, there or there. Big mirror, and up front we've got the bed, and to get into the bed we have some steps. Indeed, we can make the bed bigger by pulling this forward and pushing the parts of the mattress in. In here we have the steps to get into the bed. Storage down here, kitchen with 3 burners and a particularly large sink. Bear in mind that this vehicle is pretty small. It's got a small footprint, only 650 centimeters long, so therefore it will be comparatively easy to park, but it's got a huge amount of space in my opinion. It's also the possibility of making a bed at the rear as well. Let's have a look at the garage on the outside. So there you can see the double floor, how much space you've got in it, and the garage is here. Unfortunately, the garage isn't so big, but at the end of the day it is a rear lounge vehicle measuring only 650. I said that 3 times now, and so therefore we can't really expect too much in the rear garage. Now, the advantage of course of the alcove version, the overcab version, is the fact you can put a bed up there as you can in this one, but of course it will burn more fuel, so that is a little negative point. But when you consider how much it costs anyway, that is a minor cost compared to all the rest, all the other costs involved. I've tried to do this video in under 3 minutes, but if you want to know more, I've done a far more detailed video, and there will also be more information in the description. But for the moment, thanks very much for watching, and all the best from me in Dusseldorf.